Time to wrap it up, understanding this handy phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning, usage, and nuances of a very common English phrase, time to wrap it up. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really polish your conversational skills. So, let's get started. At its core, time to wrap it up is a phrase used to indicate that it is the moment to conclude or finish an ongoing activity or event. The word wrap here is metaphorically used, much like wrapping up a gift, implying bringing something to a close neatly and completely. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from formal meetings to casual conversations. Formal contexts. In formal settings, such as business meetings or presentations, saying, "time to wrap it up," serves as a polite cue that the discussion or event is coming to an end. It's a way to signal participants to start concluding their thoughts or actions. For instance, a speaker might say, "We're almost out of time, so let's wrap it up," indicating the need to finish promptly. In formal contexts. In more casual situations, like friendly gatherings or chats, this phrase can still be used to suggest it's time to conclude whatever is happening. It's a softer, less abrupt way of saying that the event or activity needs to end. For example, you might hear, "It's getting late, time to wrap it up," during a dinner with friends. There are a few variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts or to alter the level of formality. Phrases like, "Let's start winding things down," or "It's time to conclude," serve the same purpose but can fit different social settings or personal preferences in expression. To truly integrate "time to wrap it up" into your English vocabulary, try practicing it in your daily conversations or during study sessions. Whether you're summarizing a meeting, finishing a group study, or concluding a call, using this phrase can help you do so smoothly and naturally. And with that, it's time to wrap up our discussion for today. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand the phrase, "time to wrap it up." Remember, mastering a language is all about learning one expression at a time and incorporating them into your daily use. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.